What is up, guys? Alright, so we're back again today. We got a couple things to do today. We gotta hit the gym. We have to paint some stuff. As you can see, I got some red paint. You guys are about to figure out for what. Fix some things with the car, do some cleaning, and it's gonna be fun. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, alright, buddy, you're just jumping into it. You're not even letting the video start, huh?
I forgot we were videoing. I'm sorry. I apologize.
So what are we doing here? You gotta give them the rundown.
Well, my genius idea, it was my idea, by the way, I just want to put that out there.
Okay, just in case the internet blows up on me, I wanna...
Yeah. There's mesh on this carbon fiber hood that we just installed. And I said paint it red.
So, we're gonna give it a shot. If I don't like it, just take it off. You got it? You seem like you're struggling a bit.
Yeah, I got on clips. This one, see how it pops off. I'm trying to imagine putting it back on, too. So.
Should be pretty simple. Just a couple clips that you can see on this one. Alright, one right here, one right here. So then a couple around them, you pull them up, and it should just pop off.
Keyword should.
A or B? A. They're both good. Just which one? Let's do this. Alright guys, so here we go. Red spray paint. Let's give it a shot, see what it looks like.
Let's go and get it. I've been working on myself and I got no regrets yet. Over anything, don't you fake it. Dream about the day to tell mama we made it. Why you tripping? We don't need to hear that. Gotta keep it on the low, cause we still not overseas yet. Everything I said, I hope you know I mean that. On the real though, days like this I'm feeling like I'm real close. Couldn't tell you what I see, yeah you know I try to. Look outside the window, no, sunny days can't describe you. No, we in it for that longitude, you won't disguise it now. You better have to get your mind right. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. We've been doing what we do, way too long, I don't really think that we need your help, no. Why you worry?
Alright, it's your big gym. In this whole basement, your big gym is literally just the corner. Oh. We've got to do some big boy weight on here. It is just 45. I know you can't see it. Oh, 45 and a 35. Oh. He just said, fuck it. Why don't you just do 245s? You're already there. Oh, uh-oh. Oh. Oh. Alright, this is your max. This is my
It's not my max, I did 3. That was my warm up. I don't want to do too many.
Why not?
So you really can't see it, that's only like a 25 and a 10. And he's gonna struggle. See, look, what is that? Why'd you put it so high?
Oh, fuck that. That was not fun. Alright, now we're just messing around. And we're gonna do some handstand push-ups. Can you do it? You gotta throw yourself up. There's a technique to it. That is not the technique. Oh my god.
I still did it.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Ah! 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 Woo! Alright, turn off the camera. Now we're outside. What's through door number 1? It's a 4-wheeler. No, not a 4-wheeler. but that is what we want. All right, go ahead, give it a shot. Does it turn on? Oh! That's really loud. We are getting, uh-oh. It's Leanna. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh. Okay, he's going way too fast. Hey, it's Diesel. Hey. Oh, hey.
So guys, Wiz doesn't know how to ride a dirt bike. I've tried teaching him multiple times, he's crashed. And he's going about 2 miles an hour. It's the right foot, that's the back brake. That's the front brake, don't pull that.
Press the front brake, okay.
Let's see if he stalls out. Oh, and he stalled out. Let's try this again.
All right, how does it look? Oh, no, right there, that's perfect. That is really red. Yes, it is. All right, since now that we're done with the dirt bike riding, which wasn't fun. Well, it was fun till I fell.
You crashed?
I crashed several times, popped a couple wheelies, I flew in the mud. I think the first lesson, complete failure. So let's do this install real quick and see what it looks like.
Found me, I think you should take the time, go and care about yourself. Yeah, you're almost original, yeah.
All right. I don't even know if the camera will pick up on it.
No, you gotta turn around so it's in the sun. But we're running out of that.
I know we are.
Cul-de-sac?
Cul-de-sac. And it's red as shit. Yeah, I don't know. So you like it or you don't like it, Chase? What do you think?
I don't know.
You definitely
Like
notice it.
75%.
I will agree with you on that one. This is some perfect lighting. God damn. Alright, so here we go. I finished painting the hood vent. The center one, I think it looks pretty cool. I'm going to leave it on there for a week. I mean, I like it and everything. I'm just going to see how it looks during the day and whenever I'm driving it and stuff and see if I really, really like it. If I'm not, then I'll just take it off, no problem. It only took 30 seconds to take off. And so I also ride a dirt bike, and you saw that. And we were just messing around, having fun. And I added a little clips of that everywhere here and there. Sorry if it's a little clustered and all over the place, but it was we did a bunch today. Now it's time to go to the gym with Chase and Chase and Leanna, get a good workout in, and I'll see you guys when we get there.
Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, don't care about yourself. We've been doing what we do, way too long, I don't really think that I need your help, no. Why you worry about me? I think you should take the time, don't care about yourself.
Can you have her video it? Because if I can't get it up, I'm gonna need you to grab it from behind.
Oh, okay.
I'm so serious.
You're almost original, yeah. How close we get to it, we will never know. Still aiming for the gold at my shows, you can see it shown. No, I don't think the attitude gonna buy you much, but try enough and you will probably see that I don't like it much. You like it, huh? Yes, I like the fact that you gon' try me some. Tell me that she like my music, type of words to hype me up. Don't care if you don't like me, bruh. Watch me steal your girl with just one song and tell me what it takes for you to play along. I don't think she happy though. Some things I can't fix, I'm working on myself now. So what you think of it? I think you really get.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I just had to throw an edit in of us going to the gym. It was extremely loud. They did a Zumba class, and they had the music going and everything. And I tried talking over it, and I replayed that, and I didn't really like it, so I cut those clips out. was bicep tricep day. We do a bunch on that day, and I hope you guys like the little edit and the little parts I put in there. We always have fun in the gym and always try to do our best. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it was all over the place, to say again, and sorry about that, but we're going to have more content coming up this week, so stay tuned. We have a fun day with Tommy. You'll meet Tommy, I don't know if it's Monday or Tuesday that you'll meet him, but you'll meet him. Pretty cool guy, and some big things are planned. So just stay tuned. If you guys like what you guys see, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys.